Welcome back, student. Now we are discussing the various method of preparation of alkyl halide. Okay, among these, one of the method from alcohol. From alcohol, we have to prepare alkyl halide. See, alcohol is represented by ROH, and from this alcohol, if we remove OH group by and instead of that, if we attach halogen atom, then we get alkyl halide. Okay, this is alcohol, this is alkyl halide, alkyl halide. Okay, what we have to do, we have to just replace OH group from alcohol by halogen atom. Okay, this is simple substitution reaction. Now for replacing OH by halogen, what we have to do, this alcohol is treated with hydrogen halide. Under suitable condition, there are certain condition we have to use. Okay, then we can simply write like this. Just remove water, H2O, then you will get RX plus H2O, that is alkyl halide. Okay, very simple. In this reaction, this alcohol is reacted with hydrogen halide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. Okay, then you will get corresponding alkyl halide. Reaction is like this. Now first, suppose we want to prepare alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride means RX, RCl. From ROH we have to prepare RCl. What we have to do? See, for this alcohol is treated with solution of concentrated hydrochloric acid which contain anhydrous zinc chloride. Okay, zinc chloride. Then what happen? RCl and H2O form. This concentrated, the solution of anhydrous zinc chloride in concentrated sulfuric acid means solution of anhydrous zinc chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid is called Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Okay, so alcohol is treated with Lucas reagent, means zinc chloride in hydrochloric acid, that will give corresponding alkyl chloride. Okay, this is simple, very simple reaction. So for example, take ethyl alcohol, ethanol plus hydrochloric acid which contain anhydrous ZnCl2 plus heat, then there is removal of water molecule take place and give corresponding alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride, very simple. Okay, ethyl chloride, very simple reaction. One more example, take propanol, 2-propanol for example. Here also Lucas reagent, hydrochloric acid, anhydrous zinc chloride and heat, then it will give CH3 CHCl CH3, 2-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane. Very simple reaction, only there is replacement of OH group by halogen atom Cl. Okay, so to prepare alkyl chloride we have to use Lucas reagent, which is the solution of zinc chloride in hydrochloric acid. The percentage of hydrochloric acid concentration will vary for primary, secondary and tertiary. Only that is the only difference. Otherwise, just treat alcohol with Lucas reagent, you will get corresponding alkyl chloride. And another next, alkyl bromide. If you want to prepare alkyl bromide, RBr, then what we have to do? Same reaction. This alcohol is treated with NaBr plus H2SO4 and heat. What happened? Actually, we have to take HBr here, but HBr is due to instability, it is not available. It is not available. We could not store this HBr. But when we need HBr, then we have to prepare it by the reaction between hydrogen bromide and hydrochloric acid. Sorry, sodium bromide and hydrochloric acid react together. They are going to form HBr inside the reaction, that is called in situ, means inside the reaction. Now then that HBr react and give corresponding alkyl bromide plus H2O. This is the reaction. Okay, same water molecule loss. Alcohol treated with HBr. HBr is not available. Instead of that HBr, we have to add NaBr and H2SO4. First, NaBr and H2SO4 react together. They will form hydrogen bromide in situ, and then HBr react with alcohol to give corresponding alkyl bromide. Okay, that is the reaction. See, example: CH3 CH2OH plus HBr, that is in situ. Then this HBr is produced from NaBr plus H2SO4 and heat, giving CH3 CH2Br plus H2O. Only replacement of OH by Br, ethyl bromide. Okay, what we have to do? Only replace OH group by Br or Cl. Okay, like this. Now similarly we can prepare alkyl iodide. Very simple. Take alcohol, alcohol react with Hi in presence of HPO3, then I think HPO3, right? Yes. Now only just heat alcohol with Hi, you will get Ri plus H2O. Okay, very simple. So this is the way to prepare alkyl halide from alcohol. Also we can prepare alkyl chloride by using alcohol by some different method. See, special method is there by using thionyl chloride. First method, actually there are three different methods from alcohol. First was by using HX, that we have seen. Okay, now second by using thionyl chloride. Okay, very simple. Thionyl chloride, SOCl2. Thionyl chloride means SOCl2, and this method is only for alkyl chloride, not alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide, only alkyl chloride. What is this? Here also alcohol is heated, distilled. We have to distill alcohol and thionyl chloride together. Just distillation. Okay. Then what happen? You will get alcohol or alkyl chloride plus SO2 gas and hydrochloric acid gas. So what is the importance of this reaction is that during this reaction the side product SO2 and HCl both form in gaseous state. Okay, so it is very easy to separate them from product. Alkyl chloride, you will get only alkyl chloride, not SO2 and HCl. They are gaseous state, they will move away, okay, in air. So alkyl chloride. So for example, distill this ethanol with thionyl chloride, SOCl2. Just distillation, water distillation we have to use. Heat it, or means distillation means heating. Reflux, actually reflux. Then ethyl chloride plus SO2 gas and hydrochloric acid in gas state. Okay, ethyl chloride. This is the reaction. So by using thionyl chloride we can prepare ethyl chloride or alkyl chloride. Now third method from alcohol, by using potassium halide, phosphorus halide, phosphorus halide salt, PX3 PX5. Okay, so alcohol treated with PX3 or PX5, you will get corresponding alkyl halide. Okay, we will see in detail. First, by using PX3, by using PX3, first PCl3. Actually PX3 means phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide. Among these two, if you want to prepare alkyl chloride, then we have to use PCl3. If you want to prepare alkyl bromide, then we have to use PBr3 and Pi3 for alkyl iodide. Okay, but among these two, this is stable one. PX3 is available, it is stable compound, stable salt, but PBr3 and Pi3 is not available. They are unstable, means we have to prepare them during the reaction. Okay, inside the reaction mixture we have to prepare in situ. Okay, like this. So consider PCl3. What we have to do here, reflux this alcohol with PCl3. Take alcohol, react with PCl3 and just heat. You will get PCrCl plus HPO then I think H3PO3, H3PO3. Take 3 like this. Okay, so alcohol react with PCl3, reflux with PCl3, reflux PCl3, you will get 3 molecule of alkyl chloride and side product H3PO3. For example, ethanol, 3 molecule plus PCl3, reflux, then you will get CH3 CH2 Cl plus H3PO3, that is ethyl chloride. Okay, ethyl chloride. Now if you want to prepare alkyl bromide, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide, then what we have to do? Alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. See, I told you PBr3 and Pi3 are unstable. Unstable means we could not store them. So whenever we need PBr3 or Pi3, then what we have to do? This bromine react with NaBr. Phosphorus react with bromine. Phosphorus react with bromine. Yes. Phosphorus react with bromine, giving PBr3 like this. Okay, phosphorus element react with bromine, directly you will get PbR3 and then PbR3 react with alcohol. Okay, see, similarly phosphorus react with 3I2 then giving 2Pi3. Okay, so to prepare PbR3 we have to react first phosphorus, bromine, you will get PbR3. If you want Pi3, then phosphorus react with I2, iodine, you will get Pi3. Okay, these are the reactions we have to use. Now suppose we want to prepare alkyl bromide, then what we have to do? PbR3 we have to take, but this is not available, so instead of that we have to use phosphorus and bromine. They will react first, phosphorus bromine react first, and then for PbR3 in situ, then PbR3 react with alcohol, OBr thrice and H3PO3 side product. Okay, so alcohol, what we have to take? Alcohol plus phosphorus plus bromine. During reaction phosphorus and bromine react together, they will form PbR3 first, then PbR3 react with alcohol. Okay, then you will get product. And if you want alkyl halide, then Pi3. To get Pi3 we have to react phosphorus with iodine together, they will form Pi3 in situ, and then you will get plus H3PO3. Okay, so this is the reaction we have to use for the preparation of alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. In general reaction, use different alcohol, ethanol, methanol, propanol, you will get corresponding alkyl bromide. Here also alkyl iodide. Okay, now then it is also possible to use PX5, phosphorus pentahalide. First, instead of PX3 we can also use PX5. PX5 means PCl5, PbR5, Pi5. Phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus pentabromide, phosphorus pentaiodide. But problem is that this is only stable, phosphorus pentachloride, and it does not exist. Does not exist means no question. No question of preparation of PbR5 or Pi5. Okay, forget about this. Only we are having PCl5. Okay, for that take alcohol, reflux this alcohol with PCl5, reflux, then what happen? You will get alkyl chloride plus hydrochloric acid plus H3 HPO3. Side product is I think POCl3, sorry, POCl3. What will reflux? Reflux alcohol with phosphorus pentachloride. You will get alkyl chloride, hydrochloric acid, and POCl3. These two products, side product. Okay, we have to separate them from alkyl chloride, and then we have to purify alkyl chloride. So for example, 1 propanol. Take 1 propanol, reflux this 1 propanol with PCl5. Reflux means heating. Then you will get CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus HCl plus POCl3. Okay, so these are the method. So in this method we have to we can prepare alkyl halide by using alcohol, and under this we have considered 3 different reagents for the preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol. First, by using alkyl halide, hydrogen halide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. Okay, and second one by using thionyl chloride, it is only for alkyl chloride. And third, by using PX3, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus trihalide, and phosphorus pentahalide. Okay, we can prepare different alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide. So student, these are the various methods for the preparation of alkyl halide. Okay, thank you very much.